Hi everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sierra, and for those of you who are new, my channel is mainly Amazon FBA. I also have a little bit of lifestyle, some couponing. I kind of just do like a whole bunch of things. I'm sorry that my shirt is like not the best, but anyways, so I wanted to come on here today because I have to pay my taxes. So in Texas, I do have my retailer's permit, my LLC, my EIN, all of that. And excuse me, we have to pay our taxes every quarter. So I don't know where it's at, but at the top of my head, I think I'm paying between July 1st and September 30th, and it's due October 20th. So I'm gonna show y'all exactly how I do that, and hopefully I had a better way of doing it last time, and for some reason it's not available. I don't know if Amazon messed with their system and we're not able to do it anymore, but if y'all do it a different way, please let me know. Again, this is for Amazon FBA. Now let's get into it. So I'm going to get my computer ready. I got a new computer. Somebody stole my old one, which is really depressing. So I'm paying this one off in payments, and I am in love. I used to have an HP 360, and I do miss like the touch screen, and used to turn into a tablet, and my dad got me that one, so I was really depressed, but you know, things happen. And what I think I'm gonna do for this one is I'm gonna be showing y'all my screen and putting me like at the bottom so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm in my account, and the way that I used to do it is I used to go to reports, and then I used to be able to go here, and then I would go to custom. They would have like a custom at the bottom, and then I would put the dates that I needed. So for this one, it would be again from, I think it's July 1st to September 30th. And the last time was the first time that I did it, because I was actually late for literally no reason, and they fined me a lot, which sucked, but it was my own fault. And it took like 5 minutes to even see like how much, you know, how it was due and everything. Okay, so it is from July 1st to September 30th. So the only way that I was able to find it now is I had to go to, I think it's, yeah, date range report, and then I went to generate report, and I put summary, and then I went to July 1st to September 30th, and then I hit generate, and it said, okay, request is, you know, going through. So I did this earlier, and it took maybe a week to process. So it shows that my income was $392.69. And like my expenses and stuff, and honestly I don't think that one's gonna be the easiest to use. I think I should go to transaction. This was my first time looking at them. Again, if y'all have like any easier way of doing things, please let me know. Ooh, this is like a spreadsheet. What happened? Okay. Maybe I should go to the expenses. I mean the summary. Okay, so the way that Texas does it is she said that I am going to have to get taxed on anything like that I sold, basically. So this has nothing to do with fees, nothing to do with anything. But what I am gonna do is I'm gonna subtract, of course, the refunds, because I didn't sell them. You know, I didn't get credit for it. So, I have my tablet right here. I'm gonna use it as a calculator, and then I'm also going to write it down. Okay, and I'm gonna write it down in my planner. And today is Thursday the 14th. How was this day? Sure. You want to tell YouTube hi? You want to tell YouTube hi? She didn't even, that's all she loved. Did y'all see my chair go down? Come here. Okay, well, while I look for my pen. Okay, close the door, please. Okay, so it says that I had, let me see, it says $436.59. And then FBA product refund, that was subtracting $43.90. So $436.59 minus that FBA product sale refund of $43.90 is $392.69. So exactly what it said at the top over here. So I guess we can all keep in mind that that is how much. And FBA selling fees, transaction fees, inventory, I don't know. I have no idea, like, if the fees count. I think what does count, y'all know I'm like really new to this, so not too sure. I know the cost of advertising does not count. So out of that negative 448, I'm gonna add what like I know doesn't count. So like the advertising and stuff. So negative 448.22. So I'm gonna add like plus. Okay, so cost of advertising, I'm gonna add that because I know that doesn't count. Of course, when it comes to income tax, you know, it will count. Adjustments. I don't know. The FBA inventory, inbound and service fees, I know those don't count. So what would y'all do for FBA selling fees and FBA transaction fees? What would y'all add it? Would y'all subtract it? Because I know I'm having to get taxed on what I sold. And you know, the easiest thing to do would be to tax the $392.69, but I don't know. Okay, well, okay, so I think I'm gonna leave the selling fees on there. I don't know. What would y'all do? Okay, so I think I actually figured it out. So I think obviously net sales credits and refunds are the $392.69, and then all of the selling fees and shipping and taxes and all that's like the other side. So I'm actually going to put that I sold $392.69 and kind of see. I mean, obviously that's how much, so if I'm wrong, please let me know, because y'all know I'm super new to this way. The other way was super easy. I just literally put how much I sold from those 2 days, put that number, and it told me how much I had to pay. So now I'm gonna log into my account where I have to pay my taxes and show y'all how much I have to pay. And remember, I was telling the lady on the phone that I've already been charged tax on some of these things that I've bought, and she said it really doesn't matter, like, because I was supposed to be using my seller's permit. So if y'all have a seller's permit, use it right when y'all like have it, because I kind of messed up and I didn't, and now I'm kind of getting charged like double tax, which kind of sucks, but lesson learned. So I'm gonna leave the seller's tax link at the bottom, and it's like controller.texas.gov, whatever. So I'm not gonna show y'all until like it doesn't have any of my information, but it basically has my account already connected, and then it says file and pay sales and use tax. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that, and then I'm gonna put make payment only. And then it says tax whiz. With the make payment only option, you can pay your sales and use tax as well as any penalties and interest that may be due. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go to continue, and then it says this is a payment only transaction and will not file return data. To transmit return data and payment, return to the main menu and choose file or return. Oh, messed it up. Gotta go back and go to file, original return. Okay, and then it says that you can do it whenever, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so then it says right here, period 213, period ending September 30th, due on October 20th. This is the current one. And then it says the one that's ending in December 30th, that one isn't due until January 20th, which is the last cycle. So I'm going to click on current, and then I'm going to go to continue. It shows my address, things like that. And then it says credits taken. Are you taking credit to reduce taxes due on this return? It says the majority of users answer no to this question. If you have adjusted your taxes sales on the return due to credit, select yes. So I'm not taking any credit. And then it says, did you refund sales tax for the filing period on these items exported outside of the United States based on the Texas license custom broker export certificate? I don't read that good, but no. And then it says, okay, so it says the location and the address, and then it says check this box if you have no sales or purchases. So you still have to claim something, and that's what happened. I had thought like doing this wasn't a big deal because I don't know, it was a long story, but I got charged like $500 for being late. And because I didn't put that I sold anything, they put that I had to pay $1,000 because that was like an estimate. So that like messed me up, but I got that taken care of. And then okay, so it says total Texas sales. Total Texas sales is the total amount of all sales, services, leases, and rentals made in Texas, whether they were taxable or not. So that's all the goods. And then it says taxable sales on the other side, like to put the number there. It says taxable sales is the total amount of all taxable sales, service, leases, and renter. And then taxable purchases is the amount of taxable purchases you made for your own use. This includes items that were purchased, leased, rented for personal or business use. So that column is basically if you bought something under your permit and you didn't use it for your business. So do not put anything on taxable purchases. Taxable sales, I think I left that 0. But the only thing that I'm gonna put is total Texas sales. So it says whole number. So right there, I'm gonna round up the $392.69 to $393. And I'm gonna put 0 for the taxable purchases, and I'm gonna hit continue. Oh, I have to put taxable sales, something in taxable sales. So taxable sales is the total amount of all taxable sales, services, leases made in Texas, which requires sales tax to be remitted. Okay, so put a 0 for that as well. Let me see. Oh, leave taxable purchases completely. We'll put a 0, and the taxable sales is what we're looking for. So that is where I'm gonna put 393 as well, and then the total is of course 393 as well. So 393, and 0. I wish I could show y'all, but it has my information, and I don't know how to blur stuff like that out yet. So I'm gonna hit continue, and then it says it just shows verify and file. So it says that out of the 393, state tax that is due is $24.59. So I'll actually show y'all this. And it shows that the amount due is $24.56, but with local tax, it's a total of $32.42. And I paid, I think, $300 and $500 on the other two, but that was like, I've been kind of slowing down. If y'all see back here, all this is stuff that I need to sell on Amazon. I'm still getting stuff from EE Distributions. I'm paying for it, everything. Like, I'm getting back to everything. I just had like a lot going on. Everybody has a lot going on, but I'm not going to fail in this. So I'm gonna scroll down, and then I'm gonna hit continue. Now it took me to a screen that it says either credit card, electronic check, or file report with no payment. If you do file report with no payment, just know that you do have to pay by, you know, the 20th, I'm sorry. But I'm gonna go off screen, pay this, so it's like out of sight, out of mind. Also, if you do have a business, I recommend that you do this all with your bank, like your business bank. That way you can keep all that together and it won't get mixed up with your personal assets. Charged me $1, so I got charged $33.26, and again, that is because I didn't really, like, I wasn't too active on Amazon, but I have so much that I want to do and that I am gonna do. So while I'm here, I'm going to show y'all basically like how much profit I've lost. And you know, that's okay. I went to inventory, manage inventory, and I have, I'm gonna go to active. I still have 17 products left, and that is some from March, which is crazy to think, but Of course, they're not selling because of the price. So I'm gonna go ahead and just match the price to the lowest amount, and we're gonna see how fast they sell. And then, so these first Adidas pants, I had them at $16.23, went down to $10.52. That's really not that bad. The Swiffer Pets, I have two of them available, $22.95 down to $15.46. That is almost a lot. That's like almost $10. I think that's more than $10 actually. The Nike Infant 3-month, that one went from $20 to $11.95, and I have 4 of those, so that's almost $40. That's I'm not even gonna like add up how much I'm losing, but I'm just gonna, y'all use this as a learning experience. Send y'all's items in. Probably that stuff back there had like pretty good profit, and now it probably doesn't have profit. I could probably return it for like store credit, but I'm just gonna add them or give them away, honestly. Waste of money, but you know. So $20 went to $15.70, not that bad. This one was $20.37, went down to $10.99. That one's very bad. These Marshall things, this is a $3 difference. I'm fine with that. That was actually a spice. That's a pretty expensive spice, but I know when I had got them, they were doing pretty good. Skinny syrup, $13.49 down to $10.45. These Love Beauty and Planet soap bars, $6.26 down to $5.53. These Ross pants, $23.99 down to $14.89. Sheesh. Adidas, $30.76, $26.34. $40 for this Adidas polo, went down to $35. Really not that bad. $29.79 to $19.78. This bra is at its lowest. These socks, $8.44 to $7.92. Unicorn blanket, $14.92 down to $8.99. This other baby blanket, $23.99 down to $18.50. I still remember how much I paid for those. I paid like $6.99. So even if it drops down to $18.50, it's still really not bad at all. Every time I say it's not that bad, it's like that TikTok pops in my head. I have 5 of these, so honestly, I would drop this to $12.34 to try to get the buy box. And then I'm just going to save all and see if I can get the buy box and see what sells. So next time I will check on y'all. I've learned a lot when it came to Amazon. I had like these owl detectors or something. I'm sorry about that. And they got like sent back because the company didn't like that I was selling them. Excuse me. And this is like not like it's uncommon. No, it's common to happen. So I wasn't, you know, that bummed. I knew like it happened, but I had paid like $10 each on on all of them, and I had like 6 of them, and it was like a $15 profit on each. So that kind of sucked, but it's okay. It shows that I actually got 3 sales today, so that's really cool. I haven't messed with my account. I haven't sent anything in like since April, so I'm really excited to get back into it. And for those of y'all who don't know what sold, oh, the hot socks, the green ones, okay. For those of y'all who don't know, I did start a new YouTube channel regarding budgeting, so I wanted to get a little bit more comfortable with my budget, know where my money's going, how to stretch my money. This is about like being a millionaire, like my journey. So I just wanted to just put that all on money, and I know y'all don't like certain topics, so if y'all could please subscribe over there. I would greatly appreciate it. If y'all are from that channel over here, thank y'all so much. But y'all, I just want to do so much. Like, I'm starting an Etsy shop, and I'm starting to sell these budget binders. Y'all can customize them however y'all like. I'm gonna leave all my links below. I have like it's not a link tree, but it's something similar. I don't have it, but I've been doing that. I've been planning. I have this huge yearly planner. It's like a daily planner. I'm starting to make like prop money. I'm doing like a lot of budgeting stuff and business stuff and couponing stuff, and just trying to like put my feet in the water wherever I could. I've been, staying busy and trying not to think. I'm sorry about that. I keep kicking this thing. Trying not to think too much. But I am okay for the most part. Thank y'all so much for who has like checked on me and stuff. And I have a new like office setup. So I really love it. And I feel like happy to, give y'all as much knowledge as I can. Of course, for free. Everything is free here. Y'all know if y'all ask any questions, like I answer them. I am setting up my PO box tomorrow when I get paid, so I'm really happy about that. And I'm going to start filming at least once a week. Hopefully either Mondays or Tuesdays they'll drop like the video, possibly Wednesdays, but my next video is going to be scanning all this in the app and like seeing what I'm gonna do with it, things like that. And I know like Amazon's possible. It is a lot of hard work. I have like some people that started around my same time, and they're freaking like making 1K days. So I'm really happy to like get advice from them, because they were asking me for advice and the tables turned. But that's what's really good about it. People go like all in. Some people are real chill, but now I'm able to ask them for advice and seeing how they got there. I know it has a lot to do with consistency, and I'm not as consistent as I'd like to be, but that's why I got this planner. Gonna start figuring it out. I do have a full-time job again. I've been here for almost 4 months, and it was really hard because my dad was in hospice, and I was going to work and then going with him the day after work, and it was really hard, and I always wanted to be there with him. And I think I've told you on here that I was like, I didn't want a full-time job because I knew like my dad gets sick sometimes. I like to take care of him. So I haven't really been able to grieve. I had maybe about a week off, and that just isn't enough. There's days that I just cry, and days that I'm just like, I just want to be home. So I love my job, literally love it, great money. But I know I want to do so much, and that's not really possible if 40-50 hours are getting taken out of my schedule. And I work full-time 40 hours, but you need to add in the hour for lunch, you need to add in driving over there, driving back, so I know with that 50 hours I can do a lot. I can upload at least 3 times a week. I can scale my businesses. I can get more knowledge. I can go back to school for my master's, things like that. So I just want to do a lot. But if y'all are interested in budgeting, please subscribe to my other channel. This is makeup. I'm probably gonna sell all this. It's like literally unworn, unopened, things like that. But I'm going to comment back on every single comment that I haven't. I'm sorry, but there's like some from like 7 months ago. I'm so sorry, I know, but I'm gonna still comment back. There are still people that hit up my Instagram and ask me stuff, but I always answer. So I want to thank y'all for being just very patient with me, and thank you for getting me, I think it's monetized or I don't even know what it's called, but I just know I'm getting paid by Amazon, and I just want to thank y'all so much for that. Y'all did that so quickly with my subscribers and everything. And I'm just really happy about all the support that y'all have given me. And in return, I hope that I give y'all some type of knowledge that y'all can walk away from and know like, okay, I watched this video and I learned something. So that is how I paid my taxes this period. Again, go to just that data range and then ask for a report. I just checked every couple of days to see if it was there. One day it said that I can download it. So that was really cool. But again, please let me know if y'all need anything. All I ask from y'all is that y'all just pray for me, just for better days, for peace, for strength, you know. But I hope you'll have a great day. I'm going to release this, what's today? The 14th, the 15th at 8 o'clock. I think it's Central Standard Time. So again, thank y'all so much, and I hope y'all have a blessed day. Bye. I'm sorry about the lighting. I'm sorry about this putting at the end. I have all these items I need to add. So do y'all want me to do that in a live, or do y'all want me to just do it in a video that y'all can watch? I really don't care which one. Just please let me know. Okay, bye.